What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency created in 2008 by an unknown individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. It was designed to allow peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a centralized intermediary like a bank. Bitcoin was the first application of blockchain technology, which has since been applied to many other areas. The technology behind Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. Instead, it relies on a network of users who deploy their computers to maintain and update the shared ledger of Bitcoin transactions, known as the blockchain. This allows for a transparent, secure, and tamper-proof system. To transact with Bitcoin, users need a digital wallet, which is a software application that stores their private keys. These private keys are used to access and manage the user's Bitcoin balance and to sign transactions. One of the unique aspects of Bitcoin is that it has a fixed supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, and this limit cannot be changed. This scarcity is one of the factors that contribute to Bitcoin's value, which has risen significantly over the years. New Bitcoins are created through a process called mining, which involves solving complex mathematical problems using computer power. Miners are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoins for their efforts, and this is how new Bitcoins are introduced into the system. However, the reward for mining decreases over time and is expected to eventually reach zero when the 21 millionth Bitcoin is mined. Bitcoin has had a turbulent history, with its value experiencing significant fluctuations over the years. In 2017, it reached an all-time high of almost $20,000 per Bitcoin before crashing down to below $4,000 in 2018. However, despite the volatility, Bitcoin has become increasingly mainstream, with many businesses now accepting it as a form of payment. One of the benefits of Bitcoin is that it allows for fast and low-cost transactions, especially for international payments. Bitcoin transactions can be processed within minutes and can be done without the need for traditional financial institutions, which can be slow and expensive. Another benefit of Bitcoin is that it offers users a high degree of privacy. While all transactions are recorded on the blockchain, users' identities are not tied to their transactions, providing a level of anonymity that is not possible with traditional financial systems. Bitcoin has also led to the development of a whole ecosystem of other cryptocurrencies, each with its own unique features and applications. Some of these cryptocurrencies have become popular as investment opportunities, while others are used for specific purposes like online gaming or social media. In conclusion, Bitcoin is a digital currency that has changed the way we think about money and financial transactions. Its decentralized nature, fixed supply, and fast and low-cost transactions have made it a popular alternative to traditional financial systems. Despite its volatility, Bitcoin and the technology behind it are here to stay, and it will be interesting to see how it continues to evolve in the future. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and smash the like button.